In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. You need to start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. This one from this developer, not sponsored by the way. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in welcome pop-up. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and when you're finally ready, it's time to turn on or turn off Infinite Sleep Time. To do that, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and hit Edit at the bottom. Then scroll all the way down to find new shortcut, Caffeine 1, hold it, click on this plus icon, swipe up, then hold it and place it wherever you want to. When you're ready, use this check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. Now click on your new shortcut and tap on gray switcher next to Allow modifying system settings in the pop-up. Go back, click on the shortcut again, and as you can see, this time it turned blue. That means that Infinite Sleep Time is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!